Hello everyone, today is February 2nd, 2026, and I'm here to do another trading recap for you. Today I took one trade on ES futures to the upside, and I'm here to talk you about the reasoning behind why I was waiting for this specific setup at a specific time. So today we had some news coming up around 9:45 and 10. All of them were high impacted news, and that's why I had to wait to a specific time, then I can took the trades. So one of the news was S&P Global Manufacturing PMI released at 9:45. The rest of the news was ISM manufacturing prices for the months of January, ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing and employment around 10 a.m. So that's why I decided to wait for this specific setup and then take a trade. Um, Even though I was like looking for this specific setup at the open, as you can see, I decided to add a sort of indicator, and I can just add the indicator. Is a free indicator on trading view. This is a very powerful indicator, at least it's really helping me out. So instead of like having multiple charts in multiple like monitors to look around everything, I just added like different time frames on one specific setup. So like I have like 1 minute time frame for the execution. I can see the 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 4 hour time frame, so I can decide better what should I do for my specific trades. So I was like looking for like my bias for today was mostly long, and I had some reasoning behind it, and I can show you different things here. So I was looking at this chart, as you can see on the 15-minute time frame here, and we had sort of like break these consolidation levels, as you can see here, with a bullish candle, and then we have another candle here, and I was kind of looking for this specific consolidation area to break so I can go long. Even though this break of the like the consolidation structure happened specifically right after the market opened. So as you can see, this is the like the consolidation area in this level, and it just broke at the open, but I decided to wait because of the high impact news. I could just take a trade at the open. I'm usually trying to not take a trade at the open unless we have a like a specific setup, like a plus setup, so I can take at the open. Even though today I had this specific A plus setup, so the break of the consolidation area on the 15-minute time frame, and at the same time I was looking at the S&P 500 equity chart and the Nasdaq chart on the 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, on the pre-market, we had this sort of like consolidation area, and as you can see, this area was the area that I was looking for. So I was like looking for to just break out of this like choppy zone to the upside. Otherwise, for the downside, we had to kind of like break this like choppiness here to the downside. So if we wanted to go short. On the other hand, this is Nasdaq on the 30-minute time frame. Nasdaq had the lower low, as you can see, so it was more bearish in the pre-market, but S&P 500 was more bullish. As you can see, it has the higher low, as you can see here. This was the previous low, and this is the higher low. So I was like looking at this equity chart at the same time, and I was also looking at this 15-minute and 1 hour time frame. Clearly on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, we had like a bullish structure, and on the 15-minute time frame, as I said, we had the break of this consolidation area to the upside. And if today wasn't a sort of day that we had lots of high impact news coming up, I would definitely go long at the break of this consolidation area, and my stop loss was going to be like below this consolidation to the upside. Usually when I want to trade at the open, this is a very important thing. You have to know about this. Most of the time, market in the first 15 minutes like has a sort of like movement, and after the 15-16 minutes from the open, usually we have some sort of either like consolidation happening or some sort of reversal or some sort of fake breakout or fake breakdown. So if I want to take any trade right at the open, there are a couple of things should be here if I want to take the trade at the open. First, I have to have the A plus setup. For me, the A plus setup, for example, can be break off the consolidation zone or on the higher time frame such as 15-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame with a clear structure that I want to go either long or short, and then I'm gonna close my trade before the, for example, 9:45 candle, because usually after or around that 9:45 we have some sort of fake breakout, fake breakdown, or as I said, some sort of reversal usually happening, because most of the time we have news coming around this time, or we have some sort of other things that impacted the like movement for a specific like sort of instrument that we are trading. So the reason for today that I was waiting for this specific setup was because of the news coming up. So I was like trying to see if we gonna stay like the buyers step in and we are gonna like go higher for the day, or if the news kind of impacted the way around and we are gonna experiencing some sort of reversal, and so I can go short. So as you can see here on the 15-minute time frame, we had such a strong movement to the upside. And because we had like again 9:45 news coming, and so I had to wait. And then we had the 10 a.m. candle again news coming, so I had to wait until the 10 a.m. candle also closed, so I can decide what I'm gonna do, if the market is gonna go reverse or if it's gonna keep going up. And as I said, because on the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, we had a clear bullish structure at the same time on the S&P 500 and on the Nasdaq, we have clearly break this sort of the all the key levels that I had on my chart, such as, for example, this like anchored VWAP, as you can see, is like this burgundy line, the blue line. I had this some sort of these key levels here, so I was like watching this. So if this break happened, I had to go long. So as I said, this structure was clear, so I was like waiting for some sort of break of 15-minute ORB, and then if I would have to see if we can also hold on some sort of like uh, right break the ORB, retest to the area of the first 15 minutes. As you can see, the price goes up, break the first 15 minutes, price goes down, pullback happen, and then the retest. So like at this specific candle, as you can see, because I was sure enough that we had this specific move to the up, the pullback, the retest, bullish candle, and I went long on this candle, and I just closed my position right at this level at that I had. I think it was 69.92.25. So this is my recap for the trading for my today, and I hope you enjoyed this recap, and I'm gonna see you in next videos. Have a good one, everyone.